Hello, this is Ted from The Devil's in the Detail. As you know by my posts, I've been on the Pagoda, and I'm now just waiting for some parts we need so that I can get the engine running before we carry on and get the car painted. Didn't want to lean over the wings once they've been painted to put this lot together, so that's why I'm doing it first. But I've been restoring some of the parts ready and test fitting, as you've probably seen if you've been watching my posts. But today I've got the headlights out, and I don't know if you could see, after cleaning the outside there's a lot of debris and dirt and staining on the inside of the glass, and this is on both the headlamps. So I'm now going to warm the lamps up to make sure that the seals are supple, and then I'm going to try and remove all the clips, remove the headlight glass so that I can polish the insides, clean all the chrome up inside that looks, from what I can see, looks a bit mottled, so we'll try and do that as well. The last thing you want when the car's finished is to look at it and think, ooh, they shouldn't be back on there. So we'll try and get them as nice as we can. For those that have asked about this little Cupra that my friend owns and wants to sell, just give a quick walk around and show the condition. Lovely little car. I wouldn't be putting it on my page for sale if it wasn't a nice car, but if anybody's interested, I can put them in touch with the owner and see if you can do a deal. But I'm storing it so it doesn't get dirty or damaged in any way now, so there we are. Anyway, I'm going to get on with the headlights, and I'll show you when if I'm successful in getting them apart. So I'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Right, so I've got the bowl off the other headlight, and I'm just using some pre-clean and a Scotch-Brite pad to try and remove some of the surface rubbish and oxidation from inside the lamp. And it gets stuck in all the E numbers and lettering that's in the lamp. So I'm going to give it a good scrub, get in the grooves where all the staining is. I'm using a Scotch-Brite pad, and the fine scratches that this will leave in I'll get out during the polishing, but this will initially soak away some of the dirt. As you can see already, it's starting to look a lot cleaner. So now I'm just going to use a little polisher, battery operated polisher, to scrub the hard bits. And this will also get the fine scratches at the stop stripes left. Right, we'll just wash this out. And all these little grooves around the side of the lamp that gather all the dirt, and make sure that's all clean. And then if we have a look from the outside, we'll be able to see, don't know whether you can see on the camera, but if you look at the different angles, you can see little bits of corrosion that are stuck in some of the grooves. So we have to keep turning it over to actually find where we've got to remove them from. And the cleaner it gets, the harder it is to see them. Right, there's a couple just on there, so I'm just going to run this little screwdriver into the grooves just to clean out the final little bits that are still there. Give it another wash. You can actually hear a lot of little bits of grit that are stuck. All coming away slowly. And what I'll do is I'll give the outside a clean. Although I'd already initially done some of it, I can now see some of the marks. So we'll just give the outside a good going over, and then we'll clean the whole glass again. You'll notice I'm being very careful not to let this lamp fly off. If I break it, we can't replace it. Have to buy a complete lamp if we can find one. So You don't want it flying anywhere. Right now, it's showing me that there's some more in here, inside. Just give that a wipe off. And now, I need to just pay some attention to what's left in here. Some little stubborn bits. Just making sure I get all the compound from the polishing out of all these little grooves. And apart from just cleaning the rest of these little grooves out, we've now got a lovely crystal clear headlamp. And once I've finished with that, I'll clean the reflector. As you can see, there's lots of little bits of crud in it. And also I'll polish that. So I thought I'd just show how we polish the headlamp, and I hope it's give you more of an insight of what we do during a bit of restoration. So I'll show you the pair of them when they're all finished. I'm not going to make you sit and watch all the way through this. I'm pretty sure you've got a good idea now. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. And here we are with the finished article. It's actually taken longer to rebuild it than it did to clean the glass. But I'm sure you'll agree it was worth the extra effort, and should look really nice in the car. Right, let's see what else we've got to repair and restore. See you on the next one. Hello again, Ted from the Devil's in the Detail. As you can see, I've had the heater on and warmed the lamp up and managed to save the seal, so I don't have to get one of those. I'll just put some sealant on it when I refit the lamp. I've cleaned up the indicator bezel, the chrome inside as much as I can, and the headlamp glass has now been polished, so we'll drop this on. And you can see the difference, so it should look quite nice when it's back on the car. So I'm going to put this one together now and then strip this one, warm the seal up again, do exactly the same thing. I'll try and show you the cleaning of the inside of that one. Obviously I used this one to test whether I could do it before I showed you, in case I couldn't. So once I've got the other one stripped, I'll try and video the cleaning of it so you can see. But it's worth doing. Look much better when they go back in the car. Look like new. Right, see you in a bit.